3, 2, 1.
Why was the Eagle boss not a difficult foe? The answer is B. The player had 3 tanks. What state may I be from? The answer is B. Texas. In what year was Hinkley Point B finished construction? The answer is A. 2011. Industrial saw, how would you do this? The answer is A. Can slice through stone easily. Why was the writer complaining that she didn't get to shake Paul's hand? The answer is A. Because she wanted to shake it. What would the doctors describe as the cause of death? The answer is C. The doctors would likely say exposure. When did the Bethnal Green disaster occur? The answer is D. 1943. Women competed in the 3,000-meter steeplechase for the first time in the Summer Olympics in which year? The answer is A. 2008. Students are preparing to determine the boiling points of several aqueous solutions. In addition to proper lab attire, what devices or instruments will the students need to conduct this experiment? The answer is B. Thermometer, hot plate, beaker. What occupation does he hold? The answer is D. He is a student. What is true of the narrator's insurance? The answer is D. The company went against their wishes. When was the International Space Station launched into space?
The answer is B. 1975.
Why might there have been tension in the household? The answer is A. There might have been an argument. When was the Weavers converted into a restaurant? The answer is A. 1830. A crate, how would you do this? The answer is A. Contains a child. How many suitcases were stolen? The answer is B. 3. Nothing's Gonna Stop Us Now is co-written by a Gibraltarian singer who collaborated with Mike Heselwood and John Betties, and was born in what year? The answer is D. 1944. What year did Dell's external investigation begin? The answer is C. 2006. What year was Microsoft's Macintosh Office suite introduced? The answer is D. 1985. What is the non-technical term for nitrous oxide? The answer is C, laughing gas. What color is Johnny Walker's jacket?
The answer is D, red.
How many Americans lived in the Congo before 1997? The answer is B, 300. How many avenues start from the Circle of the Arc de Triomphe in Paris? The answer is D, 12. The 1030 I-25 or 1480 I-50 notion identify as interlaced scanning format with how many frames per second? The answer is D, 25. Why does the speaker require a blank check? The answer is A, because they are running a scam. Which country is notorious for bullfights?
The answer is A, Spain.
Spray paint, how would you do this? The answer is A, can cover a forest. How many movies did the narrator watch? The answer is D, between 4-6 movies. What can I use to eat ice cream? How would you do this? The answer is A, the best tool to use is a whisk. Who is the woman the OP is dealing with? The answer is A, a landlord. A person walks in front of the camera. They twirl the baton on their necks. One lady has both baton. What happens next? The answer is A, throw the batons in the sky and twirl. In the game of bingo, which number is known as Fat Lady with a Crutch? The answer is A, 87. According to the World Health Organization, in 2007 0.6% of American adults had HIV. What percentage of the population of Mozambique had HIV? The answer is D, 12. How do I feel about first class? The answer is D, I think it's enjoyable to watch. How many kilometers was the torch supposed to go through Taiwan? The answer is B, 24. What do ingredients get put into when mixing? How would you do this? The answer is A, a glass box. How many clubs entered in 2007-08? The answer is A, 731. What am I amazed at? The answer is C, my phone is still working. To chop cabbage, how would you do this? The answer is A. Use a large spatula. To add decorative details to a wall, how would you do this? The answer is A. Use stickers on the wall. How many pins did the controller ports have on the NES?
The answer is B. 7.
What is the symbol for cobalt? The answer is B. Co. What charitable cause is the narrator talking up? The answer is C. Feeding people. What is the establishment year of this private liberal arts college in W. Williamstown, Massachusetts, where Saul Casson was a professor of psychology? The answer is B. 1793. In what year was the Cuban Missile Crisis? The answer is A. 1962. Why don't I have a problem with being gay? The answer is B. I am not judgmental. What was the name of the coffee shop in the local mall that Roseanne worked at? The answer is A. Rodbell's. Which of these was the tallest U.S. president? The answer is D. Abraham Lincoln. Students want to find out at which temperature bean plants grow tallest. Which science process scale would be used to find this temperature? The answer is C. Measuring. In what year was the first forced labor camp established?